Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna show you what I caught from Burlington Coat Factory. As we were browsing around the shoes area, my younger son saw this and showed it to my other son. And then they showed it to me and I was like, what? How could they have this in Burlington? These are the men's running Ultraboost all-terrain shoes. Original retail price on this is $240, and these are the triple white. I don't know why they put color non-dye, and then non-dye on Adidas.com. So let's go ahead and take this out. So I got two pair of this, and they are exactly the same size. Both of them are size 8.5. So I figure I grab both of them, because this is a one-time deal that you're never gonna find later on, unless maybe I find another deal like this in other Burlington. So these are the Ultraboost all-terrain shoes, rugged, water-repellent shoes for all weather runs. Don't let rough weather stop your run. These shoes have a water-repellent knit upper and keep your feet dry during a downpour, and high collar for added protection against elements. A rugged outsole offers traction in all terrains. And as you can see, this is Continentals. Continental is the one that makes the car's tire as well. And these are the torsion system. You got this energized cushion, which is Boost. It's the most responsive cushion ever. The more energy you give, the more energy you get. Got this stretch web, also flex naturally for an energized ride, while Continental rubber gives you superior traction. All-terrain also works like winter tire on your feet. And you got this Ultraboost badge in silver. And on the back of the heel cup, it is like the ice. And you got this sock-like. You have this translucent around the eyelid or eye stay area right here. As you can see my finger going across the whole plastic piece right here, clear. On both sides. You have the white lace. Got the Adidas on the top of the tongue right here. Got the nice cushioning padding right here on both sides. Let me show you the inner label, but hopefully I could get it. And then this one is made in China. Manufactured date is November 2017. You want to go and then close out the art number. Got the Boost insole. Let me take it out the insole and show you guys. Got the Adidas with the registered trademark right there. And then there's a number right here, 2106680, and then A as in Apple. You sure when you do the legit check, you got that nipple right there. All the dots. So I tried them on and it's pretty comfortable, continental. So here is your style number, BB6131. And I'm going to show you how much I paid for it. You're going to be surprised. Right now on this pair right now, it is selling at Adidas.com. Right now they have a red markdown right now at Adidas.com for $144. And guess how much I paid for it? Somehow this one, the tag got torn out, the price tag, by accident or something. Before I show you the price, let's go ahead and show you guys which part of the shoes is 3M reflective real quick. Let me turn on the flash. Alright, so as you can see down the rear at the pull tab on both shoes, they have 3M reflective right here on this top and then bottom right here. And I think that's about it. Nowhere else. Okay. There you go. Here I revealed the price already. It says comparable value $159. That is the price I paid, $39.99 plus tax. So I inspected both pair. The one on the right hand side looks pretty clean. So I'm not sure if you can see it over here. There's like a stain right here, okay, on this area. And then on this side of the shoes, around the toe box area, there's a little dirt right there. So I asked for a discount. I thought they were gonna give me like a 10% discount. And instead, I guess the cashier asked the manager. Somehow manager gave me like a 20% discount, which is $39.99 minus $8. So I got this pair for only like $32. So I was like super stoked and happy about it. I could wear them, and then either that or I could sell them for more money. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And be sure to stay tuned on the on-feed video. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. Welcome back, guys. So we're at the Burlington, just browsing around, and we saw this triple Y Ultraboost mid top. Got the nice clear ice stay around the lace system, and it is only like $39.99. Check out the price. It's kind of dirty a little bit. Just probably need some little cleaning. But instead of paying $220, this is only like $39.99. That's like a stain right there. I know I can use like a shoe out to clean it, to get it off. Actually, we saw two pair of this. One is one right there. You try it? Check out stock, see how much it's selling for. And then midsole has a boost. Then got the Adidas on the tongue.